really excited about the procedure. I've been thinking about it for almost 6 months now. I did my research. I looked all over the world. I looked at Turkey. I looked at Tijuana. I looked at other places in the States. And when I met with Jacques, I was like, this is the guy. He's an artist. And to me, that's like the most important thing about this is that there are some really skilled people, but skilled people may not have the artistic touch, which makes a hairline look realistic and makes it that sort of thing. And I could tell as soon as he showed me some pictures that I was dealing like with not only a skilled technician but an artist.
Troy, thanks for being here today, this morning. Good morning, everyone. It's been a minute since we've had these videos. Troy was kind enough to volunteer for today. We're going to be working for Troy's hairline, zone 1, zone 2, and also we're going to sprinkle some grafts in the crown, zone 4. We don't typically do all 4 zones on the same day, but since the back's not going to require so many grafts, we could get away with it. Okay, yeah. So thank you for volunteering. Yeah. And we're going to target 3,500 grafts for Troy, 2,500 in the front, and about 1,000 in the back, scattered the second half.
I'm excited.
For a really long time I dated a colorist and I learned a lot about the
restrictions. But you do have finer, thinner hair texture. It's not that coarse.
Yeah. From all the patients I've seen, all the research and everything, everybody says this is the painful part and then it's done.
Yes.
Yeah.
Super fast, the most sensitive, and then you also have a second part that's sensitive, but that's going to be later on. Yeah. Numbing around the eyebrows. Okay. All right. Little sensitive. Apologies. Anytime you need a break, let me know. We'll stop. Give you a quick break.
Oh!
You're doing awesome, buddy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job, buddy.
All right.
Amazing. Good job. Bring your chin down a tad. Beautiful.
Is that right here? Scoot up a little bit more on the bed for me, just a tad. Right there. And you can turn your head all the way to the side.
We're going to get started. You should not feel a thing, my friend.
Great.
We have about 200 already, okay? We just have 3,300 to go. All right, Troy, you did it. You survived. You made it. The worst part's behind you.
Yeah, I slept through the whole thing.
Yes, yes, which is a good sign. That's a good sign if you slept through the whole thing.
Yeah.
We actually have 3,611. So we have 111 extra, 111, nice. Which will reinforce the center of the scalp.
Very good.
Okay, and you have 73% doubles and triples.
Okay.
27% singles, the rest were all triples. That's what's going to give you really awesome density. Anything over 60% is really awesome. So yours was, what did I say, 73%?
Yes.
73%.
Great.
Okay. So next, we're going to work on the hairline for Troy. We had discussion this morning that you don't want something too aggressive.
Yeah.
You want the recessed look, the higher hairline look, nothing that's too low and flat across.
Yeah.
You don't want your look to change, just reinforcing it, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do some options, we'll take some measurements, and we'll get started with the next phase, okay?
Great.
Good, awesome. Centimeters, ideally 7.5, but for you, we're just gonna keep it a centimeter higher, so at 8.5. Turn slightly this way a bit for me. You stain the top of the scalp from dyeing the hair. So we ask clients to, if they have salt and pepper hair, to dye it just so we get the best quality grafts on white skin, so it pops out more. Because not all the grafts look the same, right? So if we have a better visual because it's darker on fair skin,
Yeah.
it pops out more.
Okay.
One side is slightly higher,
Okay.
one side is slightly lower. You see the differences between the
Yes.
two? Okay. So the location of the hairline for both is the same, as you could tell, right? It's the way the line closes off to the temple.
Right.
I know you don't want it to be aggressive, so what you don't want is this,
Right.
correct?
Yes.
And you're looking more of that mature hairline.
So we're only coming this far in the front
Correct.
because this is most likely not going to retain grafts, or is that?
So what we did is we kept the existing hairs where you have it.
Yeah.
So that's what we want to do. I'm still going to place these little softeners in front of the line.
Right.
That goes zigzag and it'll blend in just like this. So
Yeah.
you did mention the entire goal for you after this procedure is not to change your look,
Yeah.
keeping it and solidifying what you have. So this would be one option.
Yeah.
If you want me to change it, going like this, we definitely have enough grafts to do that for you. But then your look is going to completely change. So I could lower this as low as we can while we stay in the safe zones.
I wouldn't want to lower it that far. I could see it maybe coming just a hair forward.
Remember, you're still going to have the softeners in front of that line.
Right. Okay. Okay.
So if you're just saying just the hair lower, you're
Then
going to
you're
have
covering that, yeah.
you're going to have about 3 or 4 hairs lower than the line.
Great. Okay.
But if it bothers you, I could always lower it.
It does not.
You approve?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
now you tell me
knowing
what
that.
side you like
Yeah.
more. The right side. The difference is this slightly higher goes higher.
Yeah.
This one, although the location is the same, is a little bit more.
I honestly could handle it.
The recessed
going
look.
just a little deeper.
So you like this side and make this side look more like that side.
Yes,
Okay.
but I do also like the lack of symmetry.
Yes.
If there's a way to.
Right now they're two different.
Yeah.
I want to make it close enough where it's not identical, Troy.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay? So what I'm thinking of doing this for you is drop it, like we discussed,
Yeah.
by a few millimeters, go all the way across, make it zigzag,
Yeah.
irregular, and here I think just placing just a few extra follicles like that will look good on you.
Yep. I used to have that.
Yeah,
Yeah, it went away.
perfect. So
Yeah.
we'll do something of that nature for you.
Good intuition.
We're going to focus on giving you a brand new hairline. We're going to put the little widow's peak here, so that's going to drop the hairline even lower. We're going to fill all of this right side, we're going to fill all of that left side, and then we're going to reinforce your zone 2, which is the next 5 centimeters. So if you look at zone 1, it's the first 2, then the next 5, it's going to end up to here. Okay, so all of this will be covered, and we have about a extra 1,000 or so. We're just going to reinforce the
Great.
crown. The crown's not going to be completely covered because you do need more than 1,000 grafts,
Right.
but it'll be more than what you have now.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Great. Let her rip.
All right, Troy.
Gotta play,
Here we go.
Gotta play the music from Stripes.
This part is the part that we talked about earlier. A little sensitive.
Okay.
We're going to do a supratrochlear and orbital nerve blocks. Okay.
Okay.
That gives sensation to the top of the scalp. By knocking these two and these two, majority of the scalp will go now about 75-80%. Okay?
Okay.
Here we go. This is the part that's a little sensitive. I'm going to palpate. One here, don't move. Okay?
Okay.
Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, don't move. Oh, there you go. 2 and 3, don't move. You did it. Good job. Super fast. Here comes the second one. Don't move. 1, 2, and 3. You did it. Good job. 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. Don't move. You did it. Good job.
Oh.
All right.
Okay.
So what I'm doing now is I am reinforcing a hairline for you. We are avoiding your existing hairs that you have. That's why we're wearing the loops that we have. So this blows your scalp up 50 times. So we know exactly where to place the follicles. We don't want to go over existing hair follicles and damaging them. So what we do here is we follow your natural angles and directions, okay? In about 6 months' time, you're going to look amazing. Okay, so now out of the 4 phases, you're basically almost done. You're on the 4th phase. So
Wow.
we did the extraction, we did the design, we did the incisions, and now my team's going to basically implant the follicles that we extracted, okay?
Yeah.
Have you seen
No.
what we did? Okay.
I would like to see.
Okay, so here we go. Let's keep in mind what you're going to see right now, Troy. It is swollen.
Yeah.
It's not the final product, okay?
Mhm.
That product's going to take 5 to 7 days for it to come into place. There you go. We covered all the way to the back.
Wow.
We did about 2,700 here, and roughly about close to just under 1,000 in the back.
Wow.
Okay, right and the left look similar. They're not identical. You wanted a small widow's peak right
Yeah.
there. That breaks the flatness of the hairline. And this is going to come down where my finger is next few days.
Right. Wow. Man, that's great.
You did awesome. Last phase, okay, Troy?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Absolutely. Chin down a bit for me. Perfect. Very nice. Beautiful, my friend. Looks very good. So, Troy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the mirror, show you. Keep in mind what you see now is not going to be the final placement of the hairline.
Right.
Hairline's going to drop.
Okay.
You have at least 30 cc's of fluid in the scalp right now. That makes the scalp rise, okay?
So, okay, I'm ready?
Yes.
Okay.
There we go.
Wha-
All of that is going to come
Wow.
down. You wanted a mild widow's peak.
Yeah.
Hairline is natural, where it's not a straight line. It's
Yeah.
jagged. Right and the left look similar. They're not identical.
Yeah.
So everything you need for a natural looking hairline, you have. Super happy for you, Troy.
I'm so happy.
Good. This is where I go, do you like it or do you love it?
Those are not strong enough terms.
What's stronger? Tell me. Obsessed with it.
Yeah, I'm like overjoyed.
Nice.
Like you hear my voice, it's like my heart's coming up into
Oh,
my throat.
I love it.
I'm happy. Like,
Thank you so much.
yeah, thank you.
Thank you for allowing us, the viewers, to share your story.
Yeah.
And we look forward to seeing you at 6-month mark, okay?
Okay.
Because everybody wants to know, we see the video, but where's the after? Well, it takes at least 6 months
Yeah.
to a year and a half for full results.
Yeah.
Congratulations, buddy. You did it.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.